Hi, this is Justin from OSI Affiliate Software, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change how you show up in the search engines as well as how to integrate Google Analytics into your commerce site. So first, what we need to do is find the individual products that we need to change our search display for. Basically what we're doing is we're changing how it's going to show up in the search engines, and I'll show you an example. So whenever I search for men's running shoes, one of the results I get is from Foot Locker, and they have this title right here, men's running shoes, and then a bar, and then the name of their website. Now down here is a short description of what exactly is on this page. And with Bigcommerce, we can change what shows up here. So let's go ahead and do that. So what you need to do is go over here to products and go to view products. Now I'm going to select my product that I want to change and click on this little setting gear and go to edit. Now I'm going to go to the other details tab, and if you scroll down, there's a section called search engine optimization. So here for page title, this is what's going to show up as the main text on the searches. So we're going to put in something like Nike men's running shoes. Now what we can also do is add a little bar, and we can put in the name of our store. Now for the meta keywords, this can either be unique for just this page, or if you leave it blank, this will put in the keywords that have been defined for the entire website, and we're going to do that later. So I'm actually going to leave this blank because I'm going to set keywords that are just going to apply to all of my products instead of going individually. Next, here on description, what we can do is type in what we want to show up as the description. I recommend this being less than 160 characters. Now, one of the things you'll notice is that both in my title and description, I'm keeping men's running shoes. That's because men's running shoes is an important search, one that is searched regularly by a lot of consumers, and I want to keep this at the beginning in order to help my SEO. Now once I filled all of this out, I can hit the save button, and now we have edited our search page information for our product. Now let's change the search engine information for our entire website. To do this, we're going to go over here to setup and tools and go to store settings. Now you're going to scroll down, and here we have search engine optimization. Now let's give our homepage a title. I'm going to call it standard sneakers, which is just our name. And then I'm going to add a few extra keywords such as running shoes. This right here is what's going to show up whenever people search for something like standard sneakers. Here for the keywords, this is what's going to show up across all of my products. We could do something like shoes, sneakers, tennis shoes, running shoes. You get the picture. Make sure you separate all of these with a comma. Now for the meta description, we want to describe our website using a lot of keywords, but also something that really describes the website in a way that makes sense. Once you've done that, we can hit save, and we are good to go. Now what we're going to do is add our Google Analytics account so that we can track our website and see how it's doing. So what we need to do is go to analytics.google.com. Now if you're like me, you already have an account, but if you don't have one, you can just sign up for one at analytics.google.com. So let's click on Access Google Analytics. Now you need to go to Admin, Account, and click Create New Account. So this is a website, and let's give this an account name. So we could call this Bigcommerce, and for our website name, we're going to give it whatever our website name is. Now we're going to give it our URL. Now you want to select your industry. Now I'm going to select my time zone, which is Central Time. And now what you want to do is customize this to your liking. Most of this is just data sharing options. I'm fine with keeping all of these how they are. Now let's click on Get Tracking ID. Now once you've read through all of this, click I accept. And now we have this tracking code. So what we're going to do is we need to copy this. Okay, so now that we're back at our Bigcommerce store, go to Setup and Tools. Go down here to Web Analytics. Let's check the box for Google Analytics and hit Save. Now once you've done that, you'll notice that there's now a Google Analytics tab, and all we're going to do is paste in that tracking code. Once you hit save, Google Analytics is now available on your website. What this means is that you can go to analytics.google.com and see how your website is performing. You can see things like your demographics, how many views you're getting, and how your customers are interacting with your website. Once again, this has been Justin from OSI Affiliate Software. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos about e-commerce marketing. If you're looking for videos on how to market your BigCommerce store, click on the link below.